Thank you, Floyd. We have one additional announcement at this point, and I would like to ask Father Dr. Dimitri Tonius to come forward and read a word from His Eminence Bishop Methodius, Metropolis of Boston.
On behalf of the faithful of the Greek Orthodox Metropolis of Boston, I would like to extend my blessings and prayers for your conference on the Regenerative Sabbath. The importance of recognizing and proclaiming Sunday as a day in which we offer thanksgiving to God, engage in fellowship with those closest to us, and lay aside every worldly care is indeed an important task. I applaud the work of Dr. Rodney Peterson and the Lord's Day Alliance of the United States for their efforts to recover the Lord's Day as a day of spiritual and personal renewal. Your work is even more important in the fast-paced 21st century world in which we live. We know that the two great commandments are that we love the Lord our God with all our heart, soul, and mind, and our neighbor as ourselves. Sunday is a day when we are called to focus on these two great tasks. Unfortunately, secular culture and technological advancements have steadily diminished the place of Sunday in our lives, to the detriment of our personal well-being, the condition of our families, and the welfare of our nation. I pray that your message will be heard this week in Boston and beyond. May the Lord our God strengthen you and guide you in your important work, and may Sunday once again be a day in which we commit ourselves to loving the Lord, loving our families, and loving our neighbors. Methodius, Metropolitan of Boston.